So check it out. Here's another Marx handcar that I was able to repair. If you remember a few months ago, I got an auction when they had like either 6 or 7. The guy threw in an extra one anyway. I've got like 7 or 8 of these that are looking for figures, and I've been wanting to do a Daisy and a Donald. So this one, the handles were broken off, and of course the little pieces in the front were broken off. So this one was certainly one worthy of doing a little customizing on. So I drilled through here and I used the metal from Surveyor flags and to make the new handles, and also to put Daisy and Donald on there is pretty easy. Marx already made these elongated holes, and you just have to make them just a little bit bigger, just big enough so that the little base that Lionel made on them will fit down in them tightly, and they're pretty flexible. So these I can, they're not on there permanently. I can take them off and put them right back on the Lionel handcar if I want to. So I thought we'd take it for a spin. You can check it out. Here we go. I'll turn the camera a little bit better this way. Daisy has a look on her face like anything you can do, I can do better. Donald's pumping with 2 hands. She's doing it with 1. And we'll pick the camera up, kind of follow them around. See that? It's a good hand car. It zips right along. I put new brushes in it. That always helps. So this will be something I can run at the shows, for give the kids something to look at. They really like these kinds of things. I have the hot dog mobile, the wiener mobile, and some of the hand cars. I think I've got one with the Buzz Lightyear and Woody on it. So, figures that the kids can still recognize. And I'm also hoping that my son-in-law might be able to 3D print me some that would work. And we'll set the camera back down. You see it runs really good. Putting new motor brushes in these really helped. Alright, so I'm getting quite a collection of these. So here's another one to add to it. And like I said, I've been looking for the Donald and Daisy, especially the Daisy figurine, for quite a while, and there's a few others I'd like to do. So anyway, thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.